Let's make a simple and a healthy continental breakfast on
Winnfrey's Kitchen.
First, we're going to make the French toast, and we'll need slices of bread, 3 eggs, a cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of salt. So now I'm going to break the eggs. We'll add our milk, our spices, then we're going to mix this. Until it becomes fluffy. Yeah, our mixture is now ready. Add a little oil and butter. As the butter melts, we are going to dip our bread in the mixture, like so. Ensure every part of it has the mixture. Then we are going to put it on the pan, and we're going to let it cook. We're going to turn it to the other side. Once it's ready, we are getting it out. Next, you're going to make breakfast potatoes, and we need potatoes. I have peeled mine. 1 tablespoon of oregano, a half teaspoon of turmeric, salt and pepper to taste. So I'm going to cut these potatoes into cubes. The rest of the potatoes. Once you're done, rinse them well to remove the starch. As you can see, the water is a bit cloudy. So we're going to rinse this well, and then we're going to blanch it for like 5 minutes. I'm going to add salt. Once our water has boiled, we're adding our potatoes. We're just going to let it blanch for a few minutes. So our potatoes have blanched enough. We are going to remove them. I'm going to So my breakfast potatoes are ready. I'm going to remove them. So they're ready. Now I'm going to season them. The mixture, we're going to mix everything up. Then we are going to sprinkle on our breakfast potatoes. And they are ready. Now we are going to make baked beans, and we'll use baked beans, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 medium-sized onion, and a bunch of dhania or coriander. I'm going to pour oil, little oil. Then I'm going to saute my chopped onions, garlic, and coriander stems. Now I'm adding my butter. I'm going to add my beans. We're going to let this simmer for a few minutes. Then we will garnish it with our coriander leaves. I'm going to plate it. And it's ready. For the fruit salad, we will need beetroot, 3 medium-sized bananas, watermelon, and pineapple, but you can still use the fruit of your choice. Cut the fruits into cubes. So I'm going to peel the banana. I'm going to cut them into eatable size. Then we put this into bowl. Next, the watermelon. I'm also going to cut this into cubes. Then I'm going to put this into the bowl. Next, the pineapple. And we're still going to cut them into cubes. Then also distribute this evenly. Next is the beetroot. We just need a small piece because we're just going to grate over on our fruits. So we'll peel the ngozi. Then we will grate over our fruits.
Follow for more.